freshly plucked chicken. This is how I purchase chicken from local farmers. So the chicken is freshly plucked, so they are not frozen or anything. I'm gonna put them in the freezer right now. Yeah. So this is the thing I like about Jamaica, where I can get fresh food to buy, right? Yeah. So I am gonna season this chicken overnight because I'm gonna bake it for Sunday dinner. I'm supposed to get 2 more chicken. Yeah, and that will serve me for basically less than a month, I believe. Because I don't really eat a lot of red meat right now. You know, I jerk chicken, grilled chicken, baked chicken. You know, I do it all sort of way. Stew chicken, I do not like stew chicken though, but you know, sometimes I stew chicken. And this is the chicken liver, so this is also fresh. This is 2 pounds fresh. I'm gonna probably brown stew it. Yeah, my husband loves chicken liver. I don't really fancy it, so I purchased this for him. And this is 14 pounds of chicken at 190 per pound. And it depends on where you live, because I live in the city, not Kingston City now. I should not say the city. I live in a town. So things are a little bit more expensive than if I was, say, living in the rural part of the parish. You can probably get chicken for probably $160 per pound. But like I said, I live in the town section, so it's 190, and some people also sell it for $200 per pound. And this is 2 pounds of chicken foot, as we say in Jamaica, but I know that it is chicken feet, and it is $150 per pound. At the supermarket it is a bit cheaper, but the ones at the supermarket are imported and they are really small. I do not like them, so I often purchase chicken feet from local farmers. So yes, I'm gonna brown stew the chicken feet with the chicken breast, because I do not like chicken breast. So I used to throw it away, but I stopped wasting food because things are very expensive, and you know, times are not easy with me. So nobody in my family really likes the breast. So what I do now is to mix the chicken breast with the chicken feet and either curry it or brown stew it, or I will jerk the chicken breast as well. I will eat it when it is jerk, as well as people in my family will eat it when it is jerk, but we are not a lover of chicken breast. So that's how I cook my chicken breast, so that people can actually eat it. Yeah, so I'm supposed to get 2 more chicken. I don't remember if I mentioned that before, but yeah, I'm gonna collect those 2 maybe further down in the week. Yeah, so that's how I purchase my chicken, fresh. Everything is fresh. So I'm gonna put them in the freezer now, except for one that I'm gonna season. You know, season over the day before. That's really good, because the spices, well, you know, soaked in the chicken, so when you eat in the chicken, it is delicious. So yeah, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also share my videos, but do not download and re-upload my videos. I think they have the copyright section on YouTube now that tells you when somebody uploaded your original videos. Also, I'm on Instagram at Yard Cooking and News. I am gonna change Yard Cooking and News to Yard Cooking and Vlogs. So yeah, so thanks for watching. Subscribe, click the notification bell, share my videos, leave comments, and see you in the next video.